Are you looking for the best programmable slow cookers? Programmable slow cookers remain a cornerstone of convenient, hands-off meal preparation, delivering tender results with minimal day-to-day attention. For families, potlucks, and busy homes, the right model can balance capacity, programmable flexibility, and cleanup ease. In this review, I tested 5 popular programmable slow cookers across price points, from budget to premium.
Product number 1, Crock-Pot Large 8-Quart Programmable. This 8-quart crock-pot model is sized to handle holiday-scale meals or large family gatherings. It offers a 20-hour digital timer, an auto-warm function to hold serving temperature, a removable dishwasher-safe stoneware and lid, and a memory function that helps recover settings after a power interruption. Its black stainless steel exterior adds a premium look while maintaining easy cleaning, and the 1500-watt element supplies robust heat capacity for large batches. In practice, the large capacity shines for crowd meals, stews, and big roasts, though the control surface is limited to 3 programmable settings. The memory function is a practical safety net during outages, but the absence of more granular temperature presets means you'll rely on the coarse options for most recipes. With a 9.5-inch depth and an oval footprint, it fits larger kitchen spaces and can distribute heat more evenly around bulky cuts. Cleanup remains straightforward thanks to dishwasher-safe crock and lid, but the unit's footprint means it requires more counter space and storage room. Users report solid reliability and consistent results with long-cooked braises and soups.
Product number 2, Crock-Pot 7-Quart Slow Cooker. A 7-quart portable model designed for families and gatherings, featuring MyTime to personalize cooking cycles, a leak-proof locking lid for travel, and a flat digital control panel for scheduling. The 1500-watt element provides ample power for larger meals, while the locking lid and travel-friendly design make it a strong option for potlucks or transporting hot dishes. Performance-wise, MyTime adds a level of customization that helps target meal readiness, though it remains a set-it-and-forget-it appliance in practice. Its control surface is straightforward with manual temperature and time adjustments, and the included travel-friendly lid helps minimize spills during transport. The 7-quart capacity supports 7+ servings, which is convenient for family meals or small gatherings. However, like other large crock-pot models, the unit size can limit counter-drop usability, and some users may wish for more precise temperature presets beyond the 3 basic settings. Its materials are solid, and the design prioritizes durability and ease of cleaning.
Product number 3, Hamilton Beach Portable 6-Quart Set. Hamilton Beach's Set and Forget 6-quart model introduces a temperature probe, enabling precise doneness targeting for large cuts of meat, and a lid-locking design for transport. The 3 smart modes, Probe, Program, and Manual, plus a 24-hour maximum timing window provide flexible control, while the dishwasher-safe crock and lid simplify cleanup. The 275-watt, energy-conscious design keeps running costs reasonable for everyday use. In use, the temperature probe elevates accuracy for roasts and thick-cut meats, letting you monitor doneness without overcooking. The power interrupt protection is a practical reliability feature that remembers settings after brief outages. The set-and-forget approach blends traditional slow cooking with more modern, temperature-based precision, making it attractive for weekend cooks who want consistent results with tougher cuts. On the downside, the lower wattage means longer preheating and potentially slower cooking for some recipes. And while the probe adds precision, it may be less intuitive for users accustomed to simple time-based programming.
Product number 4, Crock-Pot 6-Quart Cook and Carry. This 6-quart cook and carry model emphasizes portability with a locking lid and secure gasket, making it well-suited for taking meals to friends or events. The digital timer supports a 30-minute to 20-hour range, and its 240-watt energy usage keeps running costs modest. The oval stainless steel design pairs with Crock-Pot's trusted 6-quart capacity for mid-size meals, and the included locking lid ensures spill-free transport. In daily use, the unit's locking lid and sturdy handle design excel for potlucks and caravan-style gatherings. The 6-quart capacity matches many family recipes, and the 3 programmable settings offer a straightforward workflow. However, the lower 240W heat source can result in longer cooking times, especially for tougher cuts. Cleanup remains straightforward due to dishwasher-safe components, but some users may wish for a more modern temperature probe or more granular presets to tailor recipes precisely.
Product number 5. Hamilton Beach 4-quart Programmable. This 4-quart Hamilton Beach model provides a compact, budget-friendly option with 15 programmable options spanning warm, low, high, and timed cook windows of 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10 hours. Its flexible programming appeals to small households, potlucks, and meal prep enthusiasts who need versatility without occupying a lot of counter space. The dishwasher-safe crock and lid, combined with a touch-sensitive control panel, make maintenance straightforward, while the compact footprint and 215-watt heater suit lighter daily use. In practical terms, this model excels for quick weeknight dinners, small families, and dessert options where shorter cooking times suffice. The broad 15-program matrix allows nuanced scheduling, and the warm after-cook function helps with meal timing. The trade-off is the smaller capacity, which limits roasts or larger casseroles, and the lower wattage can slow certain recipes. Nevertheless, it delivers reliable, consistent results for everyday meals with excellent cleanup convenience.